Hello, and welcome to this brief demo showing how to use an LMI 3D machine vision system for true 3D pick and place with a UR robot. We're going to be scanning an earbud with a Gocator laser line profiler, accurately locating the stem of that part, and then communicating that location to a UR5E robot so we can pick it and put it perfectly inside the earbud case. So here we have our camera view in the upper right-hand corner, our teach pendant in the lower right-hand corner. We've already loaded our UR cap on the robot. And on the left side, we have a browser window connected to our Gocator laser line profiler. So before we do any pick-and-place operations, we need to calibrate our system. And we're going to do that using a ball bar, really two spheres sitting on a flat plane. And we're going to run a calibration routine that generates a transformation matrix which tells the UR robot where the Gocator is, so that when I send coordinates from my 3D system to the robot, they're going to be meaningful, and the robot is going to be able to move to that point and pick our part. So we have a job file already created that's going to look for our ball bar. Let's go ahead and run our subroutine. So you'll see the laser line profiler scan 8 times and find the ball bar in each of those scans, and that's going to generate our transformation matrix. Alright, so the calibration is complete. Now we'll go ahead and start scanning our earbud. So we'll load a different job file and a different subroutine on the UR robot side. And before we pick this, I'll add a halt to our routine. Alright, so let me explain what's going on here. We have a program that finds this earbud, finds the stem of the earbud, the angle, and communicates that to our robot. Where you see these axes drawn, at the angle you see them drawn, is where the robot will move to pick this part up. And on the robot side, we just receive that information, and when we establish the connection, we'll apply a transformation matrix that'll convert, again, from the 3D laser line profiler space to a robot space. So this is why we did the calibration just a moment ago. Alright, let's take out our halt and go ahead and run this.
So that's the demo. If you have any questions or want to discuss your pick-and-place application, please reach out to us at lmi3d.com.